Oops. I'm not even sure where is this, but it's beautiful. Yeah, it's the best riding with Dicky and Darren. In front of me is Dicky. Darren behind me. They all know like beautiful places, man. I don't know where I'm heading today. I'm just gonna follow them because yes, they are the masters of beautiful places, which I'm not. I'm lost in the wonderland. Oh wow, it's kind of what is this, like considered townhouse or something? Look at the, oh wow, the structure is like unique. Today is going to be a very, very good day. I'm just gonna keep quiet because there's quite a lot of traffic here and cyclists. So yes, I'll cut to the scene where I find it's beautiful, where I find it's worth showing you. So I don't want to waste your time. Oh, you. Okay, see you again. I'm actually so cold that I can't rev match properly. Early in the morning, you know, countryside, kampung lah. Wow, very cold one eh. You all live in the kampung, then I think you all will understand. I'm a city boy, so like every morning it's hot as shit. No, I mean like it's still cooling off, but not like this kind of cool. Ah. Oh, damn, his exhaust. Oh shit. You know, suddenly I feel like I'm riding a supermoto. Okay, the Duke 390 is bipolar. Now it feels like a supermoto. It really does. I don't know, it felt like Ducati Hypermotard. I have not ridden Hypermotard before, but I've seen videos of like people riding Hypermotard, like a POV view, and right now I just feel like I am riding a supermoto. I don't know why, but I mean like these roads are not really good. It's a bit patchy. Yeah, so I am not going fast. Dicky's not going fast also, but I still feel like you know, riding a supermoto, which is amazing. Wow. What a place. Yeah. Well, we are doing off-road again today. Ah. Well, this is adventure. My bad. 吸灰 just now. Huh? I was on second gear.
Why?
No lah, 吸灰 just now. Come on, bro, 吸灰. I forgot to change to first gear. How can I put my kickstand down? Time for some Insta story. Holy shit. Wow, this off-road is challenging, man. I forgot to turn the cam on because just now, oh, that one little pass is shit. And I'm short. My leg is not long enough. Almost dropped it. It's pretty damn tiring. This is actually more tired than you know, 2 hours on highway. I need to fight the bike. Imagine riding a GSA. Whoa. Holy shit, I can't believe I'm doing off-road today. Wow, this is crazy. I don't want to say this is my first time, but previously there's off-road also, but it's not as challenging as this one. This is like proper, maybe not proper off-road, but like the toughest one I have been so far in terms of off-roading. Come on, let's go. Woo. Oh, I think I swallowed a mosquito or something. Damn it. Uh-oh. This is not good. Uh-oh. No! I dropped it. Holy shit, I hope it doesn't damage my exhaust. But oh well. I'm gonna wait for help. I guess they're not coming back. Oops. Oh shit. There's no line. I am officially stranded. We'll be right back. I'm gonna save up some battery. Yeah, we'll see you soon. See ya. Found out. Thanks guys. Thank you. I did not manage to take a video because like they were you know, they were on the way to helping me out. So I'm just like, screw it. No need video, first pick my bike up first. Yeah. It's okay, I'll wait for them to come back because they still have to use this way back down. So yes, see y'all later. I hear them. Are you okay? I'm good. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good. It's just the bike tipped over. But the foot peg broke. Oh shit. This foot peg broke over here. And I guess I'm gonna be needing their signature over here. This is going to be a piece of memory. My GoPro is running low on battery. So I think by the time the battery ends, that should be it for the video. What an experience. Whew. I'm gonna be concentrating all the way down. Okay, so the conclusion is, and what I've learned today, wow. Okay, motorcycles is about bringing you fun, okay, and not about keeping it clean or owning the biggest bike. That's in my opinion lah. Wow. Whoop. So yeah, this is what I've learned today. I mean, I dropped my bike, that's the sad part, but the happy part is, the good part is, it's something new to me. Am I considering getting, oh my god, my balls, am I considering getting an off-road bike? That's $1 million question. That is a $1,000,000 question.